I just hate Monday. I used to hate Sunday too. Treading through my sorrow, dreading tomorrow, crying in my favorite brew. Now I do something new. Sunday, you've got it in spades over every other day. 'Cause you were meant to lace away. And every Sunday, rain or shine, I always spent my time kicking back in Mulligan's Craft Beer Brewery and Saloon, listening to my honey crew, forgetting all my troubles, they can't touch me, whiling away in the afternoon. Someday won't find me wringing my hands in gloom, 'cause I'm gonna be singing a brand new tune. And pretty soon I'll forget about my troubles, forget about my cares, and what